In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Trello support. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tracking tasks, and collaborating with your team, but sometimes you might run into an issue or have a question that you just can't figure out on your own. That's where Trello support comes in. Whether you need help with billing, troubleshooting, or understanding a feature, Trello has a system in place to get you the assistance you need. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through how to access Trello's support options quickly and efficiently. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Trello's website by typing www.trello.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the home page, where you'll see a login button. Click on it to begin. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Trello account. Enter the email address associated with your account. If you prefer using a single sign-on option, you can select one, like signing in with Google or Microsoft. If it's available for your account, once you've entered your email, you'll be taken to the password screen. Type in your account password carefully. If you have two-step verification set up for added security, be sure to complete the prompt by entering the verification code sent to your registered device or email. After that, click Log In, and you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Now that you're on your main Trello dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small question mark icon. This is your gateway to Trello support. Go ahead and click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the option labeled Help. At this point, you'll be taken to Trello's Help Center, where you'll find several support options. These include documentation that walks you through common features, a community forum where you can ask questions and share tips with other users, a system status page to check if Trello has any ongoing service outages, and billing and licensing resources if you need help managing your subscription. Take a moment to review these resources, as they might have the answers you're looking for. If you've explored these options and still can't find the help you need, scroll down the page until you see a prompt that says, "You're not finding the help you need." Beneath this, you'll find a button labeled Contact Support. Click on it. You may be asked to sign in again if you aren't already logged into the Trello support portal. Once inside, you'll see a form where you can describe your issue. Be as detailed as possible here. Clearly explain the problem you're experiencing, and if it's related to a specific Trello board or workspace, include links to those as well. Additionally, outline the steps you took leading up to the issue so the support team can better understand the context. If you have any screenshots or other supporting files, don't forget to attach them. They can be incredibly helpful for troubleshooting. Finally, if you're managing a paid Trello plan, double-check that you're signed into the correct account. This ensures your request is routed to the appropriate support team for priority assistance. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, submit your request and a Trello representative will get back to you with further guidance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to contact Trello support. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.